in Kulai. All right, Kulai. So I'll be sharing with you. I'll be sharing with you our session today regarding on how to use a Maybank to your online stocks OST. Right. Let me share with you our screen. Our in presentational slides. Okay, Kun. Yes, should have any questions, kindly leave your question in the Q&A box down. Okay, thank you very much, Sophia. All right, Fifi. All right. During my presentation, I will also try to read all the questions if there is any, and then I will try to answer the best for you guys. All right. So are we ready? And before we start, I would like to I would like you all to have a good conversation or response to our questions, because sometimes I always like to answer some simple question, and I just would like to have uh, some response from the audience and from all you guys. Just a very good engagement with me and you all. All right. So thank you very much. So are you ready, guys, for the main session today? Please, uh, please say yes. Okay. Sometimes
I think kita
I'm
nampak
about.
banyak thumbs up kat situ.
Very good. Thank you
Yeah.
very much. Very good. Thank you very much. Alhamdulillah. Thumbs up. Yeah, finally I can see the thumbs up and good. Yeah, very good heart. And yeah, macam celebrate birthday model.
Meriah lah, meriah.
Maria, thank you very much. Can we trade shares directly on Maybank to you, or there is a separate website you can address this later? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, anonymous attendees. Okay, we have one question here. Okay, the question from attendees. Can we trade shares directly on Maybank to you, or there is a separate website you can address later? Okay, thank you very much. I will. Mr. Kelvin Uy. Kelvin Uy got a question. Can we have a copy after the session of your presentation? Thank you, Sophia. So Fifi will help me to answer the question. Thank you very much, Fifi.
Yep.
All right. First of all, do you have any? Do you have open? Do you have open your account, and what's now, right? So we will have. We will be discussing some of the questions here. And then before that, why? Why invest with Maybank Investment Bank? Okay. First, we have three main major reason. Maybank has the largest market capitalization in Malaysia, and second one, Maybank has received multiple awards throughout the years, and Maybank has an established research team. So as you can see, all the awards are listed down there, right? So I think that's the question for us to get the confidence, the confidence why we should trade with Maybank actually, yeah. So let's focus on the main subtopic here. We have several subtopics that actually in the form of questions, right? In the form of questions. First, can I trade with just 100 ringgit or lower? Then second question, you might inquiry, which counter should I buy? Next, what if the share price drops? What if the share price drops? how do I preserve and protect my money? And then, how long do I have to wait to receive the dividend? Also, we will discuss in the session. And finally, how can I know more about investing? Right? All these questions we will be discussing tonight with me, inshallah. Right? Okay, Bismillah. What can you trade? What can you trade? Well, when can you trade? First of all, let us introduce you the basic information that any investors or traders should know about operation of Bursa Malaysia. So when can you trade? When can you trade? Okay, so the trading days normally will be on Monday to Friday, every Monday to Friday, exclude Federal Republic holiday. And you can also check on the website in Bursa Malaysia calendar, whether you can, for you to check the date that maybe there is a public holiday that you don't know. Maybe we can, some of us or around all the countries, we have a different state and different public holiday. So all you need to do is check the Bursa Malaysia calendar to get notice uh, when the public holiday on the federal territory. So normally the building of the HQ, the headquarters of Bursa Malaysia is located just beside our Maybank Tower in Kuala Lumpur. So um, our operation or trading operation will be depends or relies on the federal territory calendar lah. Okay. And then you need to know about the trading sessions, guys. Right? The trading sessions will be we'll have 2 sessions, which is on the first session, the trading will start by 9 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. And then there is a gap for a break, about 2 hours. And the session or the next or the second session will be begin at 2:30 until 5 p.m. Okay, so you might not get to miss the operation hour or the trading hours because this is very important. You need to know when the time you should buy or when the time you should sell. Depends on the time of the trading session too, right? Sometimes people our clients confused because normally those who are new in the market, okay, when they try to key in the order at the wrong time, okay, for example, at the wrong time, you key in the time at 12:30 p.m. until before 1 p.m. The system actually will automatically reject the order, and then you need to wait until 1 p.m. Until 1 p.m. to reorder or to key in the order back, right? And as well as when the new customer or trader or investor try to key in after 5 p.m. After 5 p.m., right? Actually, the system not allowed for us to key in the order after 5 p.m. It is already the break time. But the system will allow us to key in the order after 5:30 p.m. So the order or your order, either you buy or sell, will queue will be queued on the date that you have chosen or the next trading day lah. And then the second question you might ask, how much you can trade? Okay, the minimum order, you should know that every one lot equals to 100 of 100 units of shares, right? Last time or previously, our bursa system, has set the minimum order for one lot is 1,000 units. That's the previous system setting lah. But currently, the minimum order you can key in order to buy or to start to buy shares with one lot equals to 100 units only. So, for example, this will be answer your question how much money or how much capital, the minimum capital that you need to prepare, right? To prepare. For example, 1 ringgit per shares. You just need to have maybe 150 ringgit for one lot, okay, to buy shares. The 50 ringgit or less than actually, less than a few belasan ringgit or 10 to 12 ringgit only lah. Okay, when you open with our cash account, okay, 100 ringgit and then plus brokerage, stamp duty and brokerage, stamp duty and clearing fees. Clearing fees will be maybe less than 10 ringgit because it's only 100 ringgit. Okay, 100 ringgit. Okay. All right. If you have any question regarding on our brokerage, you might get to contact with your dealer or representative dealer to explain more about the brokerage and so on. My point is to differentiate what is the minimum amount of capital that you can trade or you can start to trade today as compared with the previous system that introduced or set up by Bursa, right? So 100 ringgit plus 120 ringgit maybe, 120 ringgit, you can already start to trade. Okay. As compared with the previous system, 1 ringgit of or 1 ringgit per unit of shares, you need to be prepared at least 1,000 plus ringgit, right? Do you get what I mean? Do you get what I mean? So as compared with our current or today, our current time, it is much more cheaper to start to trade. All right. Next, maybe you have a question: how to place your order, right? How to place your order? You can have you have two options. Okay, you have two options actually to place your order, either to buy or sell. All right, you can place your order via online by using our website-based platform or Maybank Trade apps platform, or you can trade by calling our dealer representative, which is under offline options. Okay, you can talk to your dealer to make your investment. Next questions you might answer or inquiry you have, maybe how to study and understand the market, right? How to understand and study the market. Before I proceed, to understand or back to the order, place order. In order to understand the market, wait, just a moment. All right. I just inform you about the placing your order via online and offline. Okay, we have also a cheaper way that you can trade by using our online platform. All right, so it is very encouraged. We are very encouraging you to use or utilize our online platform by using our website, Face, and Maybank Trade apps. Right. Let me continue with the study and understand the market. All right. You guys can see. In order to understand the market, the first step is to understand the pattern in the market. We have three elements or important elements that we can share or we want to share with you guys tonight. First of all, the bull and bear market. Bear market indicates a pattern in the market where the share prices are decreasing or in a downtrend. Yeah, decreasing or in a downtrend. Decrease, right? Decrease, right? Decrease. The bull market the bull market, on the other hand, indicates a pattern in the market where the shares are increasing or uptrending market, right? Uptrending market, uptrend. Okay, there is a pattern, some patterns that you need to know lah. Okay, you need to determine how to determine the bear market and the bullish market, all right? Normally, let me show you or let me share with you the important things about the bull or how to determine the bull and bear markets. Okay, always remember that the share price did not moves, moves always in the linear, in the linear line. Okay, normally the healthy uptrend bulls market will be moving in berliku-liku. You know what berliku-liku lah? Okay, it has this pattern, kind of this pattern. Okay, you understand what I mean? Berliku-liku, fluctuate, but in the uptrending mode, in the uptrending mode, right? Also, thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you very much. Also, one of the way that you can determine how to determine the bear market, it's not always like the stock or the market is moving just nice and easy, linear like that. But the same goes to how the market moves. It is always also fluctuate, but there is a pattern which is measure pattern is under or downtrending mode. Downtrending mode. These two patterns in the trend or to determine the trend, uptrend or downtrend, bulls or bear, bulls or bears, you need to learn more about the technical analysis. But don't worry, because you will learn all this, information, knowledge, okay, during your long-term investment. So make sure every day will be your learning day regarding on the stock market, right? If you are reading a news from the economic sector or from the economic segments, I believe it is also one of the knowledge that you need to know or you need to learn every day. By reading a news also daily regarding on the market, share market news, take it as a new knowledge also. So there is no waste or any other days which are wasted. When you are reading at least one topic of the news, it is also as your knowledge in the stock market. Number 2, you might have to know or understand the fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis uses both qualitative and quantitative analysis technique to analyze a stock performance. Hence, a more holistic approach. As a short form for fundamental analysis, we call it FA. FA, right? FA. So FA takes into account company's performance, management analysis, and other non-financial factors of a company that can affect the stock performance. FA is suitable for those interested in investing for a long period of time. For example, FA is like looking for a spouse. Looking for a spouse. Nak cari pasangan lah guys. Bagaimana kita nak cari pasangan? Is looking for a spouse where an individual would take into account the whole characteristic of a person instead of just based on looks. So dia nak kena check pasangan dia tu dari segi dalaman. Tak lah dalaman macam mana. Tapi basically the fundamental analysis, the FA is actually to get to know the very basic one. The very basic one is what is the performance, financial performance of the company lah. Okay, do you copy? Okay. Thank you very much. I like your thumbs up. Very good, guys. Thank you very much. And then the third one, you might know or you might know and study and understand the technical analysis. I just mentioned previously, okay, on the first topic, bull and bear market. But the technical analysis actually employs a more quantitative technique and is used to evaluate trading opportunities by looking at the pattern in the market using charts. The short form for technical analysis, for your information, is TA. TA, right? Stands for technical analysis. TA uses tools to evaluate how supply and demand of a stock will affect change in price, volume, and implied volatility. For example, TA is like looking for a partner on a social media, where the only characteristic that matters is purely based on the looks or external factors instead of their whole characteristics. So, which is mean dari segi luaran sahaja, kita boleh nampak dan kita boleh determine, kita nak memastikan the stock is a good quality stock by using or by determining the charts on the technical analysis, the movement of the charts, the price of the charts, the volume of the charts, implied volatility, kenaikan dan kemerosotan harga apakah pattern dia. So there is a lot of knowledge actually that you need to gain or you need to learn in the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and determining bull and bears market. Right? So far so good. Before we move to the next, let me check the Q&A box. Alright. Husni said has opened the CDS account. Okay. Safinas Mirza, please also explain how and when the order gets filled. Alright, sure can. Safina also asked, also tell us about charges and stamp duty. Is it for buying and selling? Is it for buying and selling? Okay. Charges for stamp duty. Charges and stamp duty. Charges and stamp duty. Okay. Let me explain one. Let me explain. Please also explain how and when the order has get filled. Okay. How the order has gets filled will be discussed on the next session or the next slides. Okay. I will explain more about that. Number two, also tell us about charges and stamp duty. Is it for buying and selling? This station doesn't specify the brokerage charges. Okay, the brokerage charges. I believe that all of you, the Maybank clients, actually has been explained by your dealer representative. Can I know, maybe some of us here still doesn't have a CDS account with Maybank. Those who are not, maybe you have CDS account with others, right? Tu ada orang yang angkat tangan tu. Siapa? Lim Kuan Sin, Saudagar Rama Krishnan, and Muhammad Acil. Okay, siapa lagi yang belum ada CDS account dengan Maybank? Nur Azimah Nawawi, Muhammad Acil, and then Lily Fazlin, Amir Aminuddin. Wah, ramai actually ya. So I would like to know which broker that you has opened the CDS account before. Maybe, or do you don't have any CDS account with other brokers at all? Can you guys, those who are raise your hand, those who are raise your hand, can you guys please give the answer in the Q&A or chat box, Q&A session, chat box. Okay, we would like to know. Sarah Vanan Kankaraj still don't have CDS account. Vitra. Oh, I think I see Muhammad Achil. Okay. Some of us here, some of you here still didn't have our CDS account. Sophia Afifi. Because this is regarding on the brokerage, right? Brokerage rate. Shall we share the brokerage rate presentation to them, or let the dealer representative explain the brokerage rate to them?
I think it's best if we let the broker to explain, but then I'm not sure if everyone actually has a broker.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I know there
Some
are
of
some
you
cases
didn't
yang tak
have
ada broker.
CDS account with it, right?
Yeah, betul. Ada some yang tak ada brokers. I'm not sure about Azima if she has one, but maybe you can explain just briefly how it works, probably.
Okay, sure can.
Yeah, just on the surface lah, not too much.
Okay, sure can. Okay. Let me get the details. Let me get the details, or let me get the template of our brokerage. Just hold on. Hold on. Okay. Just a moment. 1 minute. Let me get the template of our brokerage rate. Okay. You must know our brokerage rate lah. Let me check. Okay. Just a moment.
Or maybe Fakhrul, probably kita boleh share after the session later.
Can? Sure can.
Yeah, and we
Alright.
can proceed dulu with the rest of the presentation.
Okay.
Or maybe if you want to look through the questions also boleh.
Alright. I continue with the question lah.
Boleh.
So Avinas, we will get back to you about the template of our brokerage rate. Where can we get the Bursa calendar? You can Muhammad Nazar Naziran, where we can get the Bursa calendar. Actually, you can go straight away to the website Bursa Malaysia, and then or maybe you can just type the Bursa Malaysia calendar in the Google search. Okay, you can get the website in the Bursa calendar. And then Elizabeth Tan, last trade placement is before 12:30 p.m. and 4:50 p.m. right? Yes, correct. Last trade placement. Correct, Elizabeth Tan. Last trade placement will be 12:30 p.m. and 4:50 p.m. Right? So in between before 4:50, in between before 4:50 and 4:45. Remember this, Remember this, let me show you the clock. Yeah. Okay. Can you see the screen there? Okay. 45 here. Before, in between 45, 4:45 and 50. All right. There is no trade. Only 5 minutes break. There is a pre-break. Pre-break occurs in the system. You cannot place any order at that moment. Okay, at that moment, it will be freeze. The system will be freeze. Your order maybe if you still insist to key in the order at that time, 4:55 to 4:50. 4:50 can lah. Okay, 4:45 to 4:44. 4:45 to 4:44. If I'm not mistaken, the system will hold your order. Until then, 4:50, then your order will be accessed. The order will be accepted by the system. Okay, 4:50. Right? Right. So there is a 5 minutes free break. 4:45 until 4:44. 4:50, you can, the order will be accepted lah. All right. Clear? Elizabeth Tan. Can key in order 8 a.m. to queue? Sure can. Also can. You can start. As I said previously, you can start to place your order after the market, after 5:30 p.m. until the next trading day. For 5:30 p.m. But you cannot, or the system will not allow you to key in the order, or the system will reject the order by the time you key in the order at 5 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. Okay. So when the time is at 5:30, 5:30 p.m. Okay, 5:30 petang, you want to place order for the next trading day, the system will allow back. Alright? So far so good?
I think ada lagi soalan daripada Ridwan. Dia tanya if boleh sell waktu malam ke?
Sell waktu malam, you can only, okay, sell waktu malam. That's, I just answer the same question. You can key in the order, either buy or sell after 5:30 p.m. Malam ke, subuh ke, okay? 5:30 p.m. You must remember, you cannot key in order at 5 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. So ada setengah jam, there is a half an hour, 5 p.m. The market is just closed until 5:30 p.m. Okay, just half an hour. The system will not allow or not accept your order until 5:30 p.m. 5:30 until the next trading day lah. You can place the order. The system will accept, but in the queue mode. In the queue mode. Cannot match lah. Cannot match until 9 a.m. Okay, until the market is
open. Yeah.
Okay, at 9 a.m. So you must understand the time of or the operation or the system operation of order. Next question. Saudagar, please explain how to buy and sell. Okay, we have how to buy and sell session. Just a moment. Saudagar, does the trade and account and CDS SIM? Does the trade account and CDS SIM could be same? Saudagar Ramakrishnan, does the trade account and CDS? CDS stands for for the client to park the shares in the form of shares, in the form of stock, not in the form of money or cash. So if you want to buy, there is an account for you to deposit the money first, okay, before you can buy the stock or shares. Once you buy the stock or shares, the stock or the shares that you buy or you bought will be parked in the CDS, Central Depository System. Can we open multiple CDS account? I think the trade account is the number of your premier account. If I'm not mistaken, the trade account that Mr. Saudagar Ramakrishnan mean or question, the question is, does trade account and CDS sama ke? The trade account is under maybe lah premier account where you need to deposit the money before you can buy the stocks. Okay, Prima, can we open multiple CDS account? Yes, sure, you can. Only direct CDS account. Okay, multiple CDS account with other broker also can. You have Maybank CDS with Maybank. You have CDS with CIMB, RSB, and so on. You can open multiple CDS account. But in Maybank, once you open the direct CDS account, which is cash account, you can only have one cash account. The next account maybe you might to open is if you want to get the margin account or facility or contra facility account. So with us in Maybank, you might to open, you can have 2 or 3 accounts. Okay, but we have different facility lah. Remember cash account, contra account or margin account, 2. There is another you need to know lah. We have two types of cash account, which is under nominees and direct CDS account. Okay, let me know. Let me show you. Let me inform you. All right. Let me inform you in the first place. If you want to buy IPO, initial public offering, IPO. Okay. Do you guys know what is IPO or not? Some of you maybe you don't know what is IPO stands for? Initial public offering, guys. Yeah. Okay. If you have studied some market information like IPO, then you would like to subscribe the IPO, you need to tell your dealer representative, I would like to open the CDS account which I can buy the IPO. So the dealer representative will prepare for you the direct CDS account for cash account. If you don't mention at the first place you open the account CDS account with the dealer representative, your dealer representative might open the nominee's cash account, which cannot buy, which cannot help you to buy, or the account is not for you to buy the IPO. Alright, understand? Right. And then Azmi Wah already bought shares via online but have not met the dealer. Ai? Ai?
I think
Muhammad Akil.
ada some
Okay.
of the clients yang buka the account online, so naturally they are not assigned to any dealers.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
okay.
but I guess if you don't have any dealers, what you can do is you can go to help desk Maybank Equities. I will share the contact number later dekat chat, and then you can check it out lah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Fifi. Alright, dah ada. Belum aktif sahaja. Okay. Is Maybank to you cash rate is the same CDS account? Same. I don't have broker since I registered online for Maybank CDS account. Fitri Hashim. What is the difference between a broker and a remiser? Same lah. Broker and remiser or dealer remiser. This one, there is no question to answer, but broker and remiser, we have to lah. The online OCS, online customer service. Like me, our team is under online customer service OCS, which is not under remiser. Okay, so what is the difference of remiser? Remiser, Zalina Kemat, Zalina Kemat. The Zalina Kemat, have you registered any CDS account with Maybank? Where is the location that you open the account, Zalina Kemat? Hashim Mat Isa, what is the difference between nominees CDS account and private CDS account? The difference I told you just before, you can buy IPO for direct CDS account. And if the account is nominees, normally there is no facility for you to buy IPO. There is no, it's not allowable. It's not allowable. You will be rejected lah. Your IPO subscription will be rejected. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong. Isn't the account Maybank to you cash straight? Yeah. Maybank to you cash straight. Okay. Some of you maybe here got explained by the remiser. Some of you maybe got explained by our dealers. We have two kind of different dealer and remiser here. Shall we only do the trading in the online portal? I am interested to buy a stock of a company and wants to hold the whole long term. How to do that? Anonymous attendee. Shall we only do the trading in the online portal? Yes. I'm interested to buy a stock of a company and wants to hold long term. How to do that? Okay. Let me show you how to buy and sell. Next session. Okay. I will continue the session. Okay. Let me explain the session first. Study. Okay. The next question or the next subtopic. All right. Subtopic. Study and understand the market. Study and understand the market. Okay. As an investor, it is important to understand that what is your aims to advise your strategy depending on your goal. For investment goal, different stock can cater to different goals depending on what investor is trying to achieve from the stock. there are three types of stock usually. Yeah, growth strategy, which is to seek and invest in companies' profits are expected to grow over the time. Number two, yield stock, yield strategy to invest in companies that give stable and regular dividend. Number three, value strategy to invest in companies that has value and its value are growing over the time. And number two, for investment strategy, yeah. Okay, you can get the investment goal. You can get the investment goal easy by visit, or there is a way easy to identify these different types of stock, growth strategy, yield strategy, value strategy by using our Maybank trade, our Maybank trade. So if you can see the features here again, or the picture that we have screenshot here, you can get this stock kind of stock strategy in our Maybank trade apps. Okay, easy for you to get the answer. What is the stock for growth, yield, and value? Again, next, investment strategy. For investment strategy, right? For investment strategy, different investors have different strategy. This is because not all investors have the same goal in the terms of the time period. Some prefer long-term investment and some prefer short-term trading. For long-term, it's more than 1 year period of time. For the mid-term, it's within, or it's under within 3 months to 1 year. For the short term, you might look at 1 month to 3 months, and for the swing, you only need, or maybe the strategy is within days and up to 2 to 3 weeks holding only. Okay, so you have investment strategy for long term, mid term, short term, and swing. Right, so you know how to place your order. Market order transaction means to be executed immediately at the market price. And the limit order transaction where a price limit is set to execute buy or sell. The market order, let me show you the example. Okay, in the order queue, you might see your order either is all matched or partially matched or not matched. Okay, if all matched, for example, if you key in order for 10,000 units to buy or sell, with all match, all the quantity has been executed or has been transacted. If your order mentioned partially matched, you need to check how many units that actually has matched, which is partially, matched. Not all the order that you key in 10,000 units, maybe it has partially matched for 7,000 unit only. So another 3,000 still in queue. Or your order might not match at all after 5 p.m. Alright, so let me show you the order queue. The order queue, in our platform here, you need to determine which one is the buy price and the sell price. Which one is the buy price and the sell price? Okay, so these are the order queue. Let me show you the example I just said just now. For example, if you want to sell, sell the stock of Maybank, right? At 56 or 8.56 ringgit, 8 ringgit 56 cent. Okay, there is a already buyer, what we call as pembeli tersedia. Pembeli tersedia. We as a seller, for example, here, for instance, we as a seller, we key in sell, to sell our Maybank stock, to sell our Maybank stock with 1,000 units, and we key in 8 ringgit 56 cent. There is a buyer already queue to buy for your stocks at 8 ringgit 56 cent. So it will be fully matched, fully matched lah, because it's already a ready buyer. It's there is a ready buyer to buy your stocks at the price that you want. And then let's check this one. If you want to buy maybe 8.7, 8 ringgit and 50 cent at 2,000 units, you only match partially. Okay, you only match partially. Okay, you only match partially because the seller only have 1,200 units, but actually you key in 2,000 units, right? There is a ready seller to sell to you, and you key in to buy 8 ringgit 57 cent. Is already in the market. There is a seller, ready seller, for you to grab the stocks at the current price, 8 ringgit 57 cent. But you key in 2,000 units, okay? But the seller only have 1,200 units. So the order will be partially matched, and the difference for the bagi lah, and the bagi will be automatically queue for you to buy 8.57 ringgit with the balance of the units that you key in, right? It will be partially matched. All right. So if you key in the order to sell at 8 ringgit 59, 8 ringgit 59, but the current price is 8 ringgit 56. Right? If the current price is 8 ringgit 56, and you key in to sell at 1,000 units, 8 ringgit 59 cent. So there is no buyer to buy at your requested price. There is no buyer to buy at your requested price. So definitely, your order will not be matched. By 3 examples here. Any one of you have any question regarding on our slides here? Wow, so many questions leh. 33. 33. I'm not sure how to trade online. So lots of data seems complex. Okay, I know, but you need to familiarize lah, with the system by starting to read one by one of the column. If you look at one at a glance, if you look at our system with a glance, of course you cannot understand anything happen in the screen. But if you start to read one by one of the column, let me show you lah, the column. You will understand bit by bit. Okay. Later I show you. Okay. I will go to the next slide. Okay. It's already 9 PM, guys. After your investment, okay, after your investment, maybe you inquiry about the rewards, right? The rewards. All right. Yeah, and just a moment. Let me check. Let me check. This is the page 12. Page 12. Page 12. Page 12. Okay. You might hoping that your investment will um, give you the returns. Okay. We have you must know that your investment will get maybe two kind of returns. One is under dividend. Some companies will issue dividend based on the ratio of the profit made in the financial year, and some of the investment might get from the capital gain, right? The capital gain is the increment of the capital assets value. It is realized when asset is sold, but unrealized if it's not sold and is being held. How to pay? Okay, this account or these slides that you need to know if you have contra facility account with us, right? Contra facility account with us. If you are using contra facility account with us, you need to know how to pay it. Okay, for the trading day and settlement, right? The for trading day and settlement, our mobile trading apps, Maybank Trade, is designed for trader across competencies. It is extremely useful for new investors to learn to trade and also extremely useful for experienced investor to monitor their stocks. Mhm. Right. So on the day of your purchasing, on the day of your purchasing, let's say you trade or you buy a stock on 2nd January, you must know that the settlement date will be on the T2 day. T2 day. T2, T plus 2 day will be on the 4th January. And if you didn't or if you missed to settle the payment, to make the settlement on the 4th January, by 5th January, it is considered as T plus 3, which is under for sale dates. Okay, which is under for sale dates. All right, this is our digital platform Maybank to you. Okay, regarding on the question about the regarding on the question from wait, let me check our participant here. Can I say okay? Why I can't transfer money to Maybank cash trade account? Why I can't transfer money to Maybank cash trade account? Anonymous attendee, why I can't transfer money to Maybank cash trade account? Why? Maybe, maybe your account or premier account, SMF account has been dormant, has been dormant, and you need to check lah, either it is dormant or not. Normally when you cannot transfer your money in your trading account, the premier account, SMF account is actually has been dormant. All you need to do is go to the nearby branch, Maybank, okay, show their account number, or premier account number to our current account officer, and then ask them to help you to activate the account. And then after the activation, then you can deposit your money in your account trade. Please explain share how to buy and sell. Okay, sure can. Already bought shares via online but have not been allowed. Okay, tell me if you buy certain. Okay, just wait. Can I repeat? Maybank to you trade accounts there's both different. There is online appreciate a little bit about different dividend payout. Okay, sure can. I have open trading account with Maybank. Online manage your get them, but it is a nominee. Is it possible to change to direct CDS account? Okay, Muhammad Sharul. I'm Muhammad Sharul. I have an open trading account with Maybank Trade by online and managed to get the CDS account number, but it is a nominees. Okay, it is a nominees account. Is it possible to change to direct CDS account? Once you open or once you have the CDS account under nominees, our operation cannot simply convert the nominees account to the direct CDS account unless there is a way, there is a way, there is a way. If there is two options for you. One, either if you would like to open a new CDS direct, so you will be having a two cash account, one nominees and another one is direct account. Or option number two is you clear after you clear all your portfolio, all your shares you sold, you clear all the portfolio, all right, in your CDS account nominees, you can uh, request to close the CDS account from your dealer representative, and then ask them to help you to create the CDS direct for you and maintain the premier account, maintain the premier account, the previous account, maintain the previous account where you can deposit the money. Okay, Vivitra, Devi, can we trade without dealers? Normally cannot, but one of the participants said he's already opened the CDS account but never meet the dealer. Is it good to buy the IPO share? How to buy? Is it good to buy the IPO share? It depends on the prospect. The prospect of the company lah. How to buy? If you want to buy the IPO, you can visit to our Maybank to you. Okay, once you log in, go to the investment and choose e-shares. Okay, either the IPO is available in our Maybank to you or not. That's how you can buy the IPO in Maybank to you. You can go to investment and please select e-shares. Nur Azimah Nawawi. Yep, same as me. I opened my trade account online. The problem is I cannot transfer the money from saving account to my cash trade account. It says you are not allowed to do transaction. Why is happened? Maybe the same answer is your account might get perhaps your account has been dormant. Okay, please go to the nearby branch and ask them to help you to activate your current account. What's the difference? Husni, what's the difference between CDS account and CDS beneficial owner? I'm not sure what is CDS beneficial owner. CDS account and CDS beneficial owner. There is a difference. I'm not sure. I'm sorry, Mr. Husni. Maybe our member you can explain. I'm not sure. Mr. Husni. Okay. Let me show you or let me continue. Continue. If you had to understand what is the features of our website or our platform, actually you need to learn or you need to read first what is the menu. The menu. Okay. Don't bother to deposit money first lah. Okay. Once you open the CDS account, okay, you check the platform. Okay. You godek sana. Alright. You click lah every menu in the platform. Then you read one by one. And then besides you read the menu, you also need to read the column of the platform. Okay. The code, for example, the code of the stock. What is the stock? The name of the stocks. Previous close. The previous close is the price previously closed yesterday. Yesterday is on Monday of the previous day. The high price. What is the high price on that day? The stock hit. Okay. The lowest price. What is the lowest price the stock hit on that particular day? There is also a buy price, the buyer price, and the seller price. Okay. Beside and the buyer price, there is a buy queue. Okay. Buy queue representing the lots volume at the price. Okay. So for example, buyer currently for Valesto is at 10 cent and half. 10 and half cent. There is already buyer to queue to buy. With how many volume or how many lots? The buy queue is currently amount or the the volume or the lots to buy for the 10 and half cent is 115,000 lots. Okay, 689 lots, right? To buy 10 and half cent. And also the seller price. Okay, you have buyer price, you have seller price, right? So seller request or ask to sell, right? Oh no. A bid. They want to bid or they want to sell at 11 cent. If you think the Valesto stocks, at that moment lah, what time? 14 September 2022. Okay, at that moment, the Valesto just about 11 cent and 10 half cent. Okay, if you think or if you no once you have made the study regarding on the Valesto stock, uh, if you decide to buy and you think it is potential to go upside, okay, you can directly buy at 11 cent at that moment. So you don't need to queue. You don't need to queue. Your order, you don't need to queue because you grab 11 cent at the seller price. Seller is the already seller. Macam mana tu? Penjual sedia ada. Boleh. Penjual sedia ada dalam pasaran. Okay. I give you the simple statement lah. Alright. Yang buyer ini adalah pembeli sedia ada di pasaran. Okay. If you want to understand more, please write down what is my statement in bahasa. Maybe I can help you to understand more. If you don't understand much in English, okay, it is already buyer lah. It is already seller price lah. Seller price already seller. Already. Sedia ada. What is sedia ada? Ready buyer, ready seller, right? Ready buyer and ready seller. So kalau bahasa Melayunya, pembeli sedia ada, penjual sedia ada. So you need to know what is the menu or the column, the whole column in the platform lah. By starting with the reading. Okay, bermula dengan membaca satu persatu, and then you tengok, you can understand a bit by bit, day after day. Alright, price feed. Our price feed shows the live price movement and information related to the stocks. Right? See, ini saya dah explain dah ni. Okay. Price feed shows the live price movement and information related to the stocks. T0 column is the theoretical opening closing price. What is TO? Theoretical opening. Okay? Theoretical opening closing price, which allows investor to gauge the market sentiment and share performance during the pre-opening and closing session. theoretical opening closing. Okay, theoretical opening closing price. For example, at 8:30 a.m. until 9 a.m. In the afternoon, 2 p.m. until 2:30 p.m. Okay, this is the time of the pre-closing session kat bawah ni, 4:45 p.m. Just discuss with you guys. Right. Price feed. The next price feed, there are stocks with symbols that indicate the information related to the counter. Okay, I can give you, maybe you want to have a screenshot or you want to take a snap of the stock indicator. Actually, don't worry. You can get this symbol by in our platform. Okay, where you can get the symbol in our platform. The symbol interpretation here. Okay, the symbol interpretation here. You can go to our platform by moving your cursor mouse. Okay, by moving your cursor mouse at live codes, right? At live codes. By moving your cursor mouse at a live codes. Okay, at the live codes. Okay, don't select or click your mouse at live codes, but you just moving your cursor. It will pop up another menu with symbol interpretation, which is called stock indicator. Stock indicator will be shown after you move your cursor mouse at live codes. Don't click at the live codes lah. So wait for the menu to pop up. Right. Then the name of the menu is stock indicator. Select that stock indicator, you will get the symbol interpretation. Alright. Wow, banyak pula ni. Kalau nak anu satu-satu. I think if you don't have our CDS account yet, we highly recommend you to open the CDS account with Maybank. Alright. So that first of all, you need to open the CDS account so that you can access to our platform. We have website-based platform and Maybank Trade apps platform. Okay. We will share you lah. We will share you. I think after the session, we will share with you the slides.
Yeah. After the session, normally I will
visit.
send an email, so the slide will be shared lah.
Yes. Okay. So in our platform also, you can go review the latest announcement. The latest announcement is very important. Okay, very important. You need to know what is going on to some of the stock. There is a corporate action announcement that you need to know. Maybe the dividend announcement, the right issue announcement. This is under corporate action, guys. Under corporate action, what we call as under corporate action. The latest announcement. The latest announcement. Besides dividend right issue, also share consolidation, bonus issue. What else? Share split, bonus, right issue, dividend. What else? Corporation. Corporation, share consolidation. I mentioned already. All right. So you need to know lah before the X date. Before the X date of the entitlement. Okay. This is one of the entitlement. And go to entitlement. First of all, you can go to the stocks. Okay, the stocks you can select. You can select here entitlement, or you can select the icon of the calendar here. The icon of the calendar here will give you another menu, which is also contain entitlement. Entitlement. So select entitlement. This is the calendar lah, right? This is a summary table for the calendar lah. Macam icon is much like a table lah. Table. Okay, jadual apa lah. Alamak ni apa? What is this? Okay, and then select the entitlement. You can also select the financial summary. You can go through the financial summary, trading of rights, changes in board room, changes in shareholder. So what we want you to know is go to the entitlement, and the screen will show you all the entitlement given by the company. For example, Maybank, at that moment, you can see the dividend given. What is the X date in the entitlement? In the entitlement, what is the important is you need to know what is the title of the announcement, entitlement, and the X date is very important. Okay, so you don't have to, you might not get to miss the the interim dividend or the corporate action given or the entitlement given. All right, we also have a very good function. In our platform, we provide you the technical analysis. Okay, for every stocks that you want to see the chart, the bar chart or the price movement, you can select technical chart. You can select technical analysis, right? So this is, for example, the technical analysis looks like this another interactive chart also we provide you in our web-based platform. All right, this is interactive chart. All right, this it is a different chart with technical analysis, but we also provide you the interactive chart, okay, which is kind of slightly different with technical analysis. You can use either. Which one do you like to view the technical analysis? It depends on your interest. Okay, there is a do's and don'ts. Number one, the do's. The do's. Diversify. Right, diversify your risk by separate your investment. I put several baskets if you are uncertain on the potential and risk of your investment. Look for the bigger picture. Think big. Look for the bigger picture. When come to investment, create plans to reach your goals. Seeing the market conditions at macro level such as interest rate, inflation, GDP, trade balance, and other aspects. Okay, looking for bigger picture. From macro, we find the sector. From sector, we find a few good companies to do comparison. Next, keep studying. Study and invest in a business you understand. You can buy the shares of business you studied and understand. You will not feel very, you will not feel worry when short-term price drop. And last but not least, beware of scams. Investment that promise high returns and non-regulated. For don't be sentimental or emotional. Some shares are to be traded. Some shares are to be traded and some to be kept for long term. If you have made a mistake, sell it off. Don't go and buy the same stock at a lower price to average it. Sell to stop loss if something changes, as usually there will be a reason, no a share price drop. There will be a reason on a share price drop. Stop loss to preserve and protect your capital. Next, no rumors. Not to chase hot tips or insider news or crowd. Always do your own research and analysis. Hot tips and insider news heard from someone may not be true. Risk on your capital that may cause you losses. And last but not least, not to be greedy. Don't be greedy. Cash out and take profit. Many systems are now having a stop loss and take profit. Are you happy with a 10% gain and 5% stop loss? You can set the stop loss in our system too. All right. Lastly, we are pleased to invite you to join our official Maybank channel, Trade with Maybank channel Telegram. You can scan our barcode here to get inside our official channel Telegram of Trade with Maybank. Maybank. Oh, okay. It's already 12,000 subscribers. Over 12,000 subscribers in our channel, Trade with Maybank channel Telegram. Okay, we are pleased to invite you in our channel Telegram so that you can know more about upcoming webinars and daily updates in our reports and information about trading and many more. Especially if you don't have any idea what to trade, there is a tips, very quite one of the tools or channel that you can gain knowledge or you can gain some tips from our research expert in our Trade with Maybank channel trade apps. All right. So that's all on the slide. Maybe I can read the questions and maybe I can read the questions that you have written. Okay, from where? Can send video example how to buy stocks.
I think the video or if you type in on YouTube, we actually have the video on how you can buy and sell the stocks and on how you can start off with the trading platform. Yeah. Fakhrul, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
There is a lot of question here. It's already 9:28. Fifi.
Maybe
So
we
how?
can pick just one more question before we end the session, I guess. Because I think the questions are pretty much all the same.
Yeah. Okay.
I think one from Akmal Nurijan, if the order doesn't match, what is going to happen next? Will
Okay,
it
thank you very
be
much
auto
for the
cancel or not transacted at all?
So Akmal
Akmal Nurijan, yes.
no reason. Okay, thank you.
Mm.
So once your order did not match by 5 p.m. By 5 p.m. the system will tell you the order is expired. And you can check the order status in the platform. It will be expired. And then if you need to key in the order back, you can start to key in the order back by 5:30 p.m. or the next trading day, to key in the same order. Or if you would like to get the help from the system to queue the order for you, you can also select the till good date order. I think in the YouTube that Sophia told you guys, you can check how the video explain to you how to place the order, very detailed, and step by step how to place the order. Okay. I think in this session there is no slide for me to explain to you guys regarding on the how to place the order step by step. It will be another, maybe it will take some more time to get that session.
Alright.
How they can get the link of YouTube, Sophia?
I think the link of the YouTube I'll be sharing via email because I'm not able to open my YouTube. from this laptop. That's some
Oh,
problem.
okay.
But if you type in, if I'm not mistaken, the title of the video would be how to buy and share and sell the stock. Yeah, there will be 2 videos on that. I mean, in general as well, if you want to learn on the basic fundamentals of that, there are a lot of videos, but specifically for Maybank, we already have like kind of demo video on how you can do it on our trading platform as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there
Okay.
any? It's
I
already
think
9:31.
yeah, I'm sorry. We ran a bit off a bit more than expected. But thank you so much for everyone for your interest, for asking the question. We really appreciate it. We will be sharing the slide, but we won't be sharing the recording, unfortunately. We'll be sharing the slide. Please expect it to be within this week or next week for us to share it to you guys. And thank you so much for your time. And just for your information, if you join our Telegram channel, they like Fakhrul mentioned, there will be some updates on the market and everything. And at the same time, we will occasionally also have some session on the fundamentals and also the technical analysis if you would like, if you are interested to join. So just keep your eye on the Telegram channel. Most of the communications will be done there. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. And thank you so much, Fakhrul Razi, for your time as well. I hope to see you soon, anytime soon. And
Okay.
yeah, to all the participants, thanks a lot for your time this evening and have a good evening. And happy
Semoga
trading, everyone.
bermanfaat. Thank you very much.
Thank
Semoga
you.
bermanfaat. Thank you very much.